Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are well. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing and installing this silky straight wig with 4C edges. As you can all see, I'm going to transform the wig from this to this. So if you guys want to see the steps I took to make the wig look natural, then please keep on watching. If you're new, then please hit subscribe and hit the thumbs up if you guys enjoyed today's video. And guys, let's get right into it. So guys, today's wig is from Colleen Hair. In the bag, they sent me a pair of wig cap, some lashes, a headband to set your lace and your edges. Now onto the wig, guys. So as I mentioned already, this is a silky straight wig with 4C edges. It's a 13x4 lace, 180% density, and 24 inches long. So if you're a beginner, this can look a bit intimidating, but don't worry, it's very simple to make it look natural. Now inside the wig, there are 4 combs, one on each side, one at the back, and one in the middle. It's also got 2 different adjustable straps, so all these would ensure that your wig is nice and secured. So now guys, with my code MRM, you don't have to spend full price on this wig. You can get $20 off, which is pretty awesome. You're welcome. So guys, before I install the wig, as you guys can see, I've already combed my hair back as I always do. Now I'm just using my hair wax and slicking my edges back just to make sure I don't lose them. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put on my wig cap, as you guys can see. So using my bronzer and a brush, I'm going to tint the wig so that it matches my skin color and it looks a bit more natural. So now guys, I'm just trying on the wig to see what needs to be done to it. Right now it looks a bit crazy, and like I said earlier, if you're a beginner, you might feel a bit intimidated by it, but don't worry. And usually before anything, I'd bleach the knots of the wig. I'd also go ahead and pluck it so the hairline looks more natural. I do have a video on that, and the video goes into detail on how to customize your wig, how to bleach the knots, how to pluck the wig, if that's what you want to do. So you guys should check it out. I will leave the link in the description box. However, today all I did was pluck the wig off camera to make the hairline look more natural, just like this, as you guys can see. And you guys can see it looks so much better, more natural, and a lot easier to work with. After plucking the wig, this is how much shedding I got, which is completely normal, guys. So because I didn't bleach the knots, I'm using my bronzer to tint the lace so it looks more natural. And after that, I'm going to go ahead and install the wig. So you want to make sure that you use the straps and the combs just to secure the wig before you go ahead and glue it on. And as you guys can see, I decided to cut my lace into 3 sections. This is easier for me to work with. It means that I can focus on one part of the wig and then move on to the next and focus on that part, rather than just trying to stick everything all at once. It's just a little bit more complicated that way. So the glue that I'll be using today is from Wonderlace. I got this online. I will link it in the description box. So it's my first time using this glue, and I did not know it was a brush on glue. And be warned guys, this can be very messy and sticky. I don't know if you guys can tell by watching the video, but it's very sticky and messy. But guys, I think it's a great glue. It dries on really fast and it sticks the lace down pretty well. So I definitely recommend it if that's something you want to try. So now I'm just using my dryer to dry down the glue, and I didn't have to dry it for too long as it dries pretty fast, but because it's a clear glue, I was just kind of touching it to see if it's sticky enough for the lace, and as you guys saw, it was pretty sticky. So now I just went ahead and stuck down my lace, and I will go ahead and dry it one more time before I cut the lace off. You don't
focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus?
So now guys, I'm just taking down the parts that did not get enough glue. Then I will go ahead and dry those parts that didn't get enough glue. And you can also tie a headband at this stage if you want, just to make sure that the lace is nice and melted. But I didn't do that, but you guys can definitely go ahead and do that.
Baby, I've been a little fell. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me?
So guys, once the wig is dry, if needed, you can add a bit of foundation to make your lace match your skin tone, just like I'm doing. But this is optional. It's not like you have to do it. And I saw on TikTok some people use this lace tint foam thingy, and it looked pretty awesome. I haven't tried it yet, but I would love to one day. Okay guys, so now it's time to style the wig. I wasn't sure what way to style it, so I was just playing around with it to see which style would suit me better, which style would suit my face. And I ended up picking a side part because I thought a side part was pretty cute, and it was also allowing me to show off the 4C edges a little bit more.
You don't ever, but I don't want to give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me?
So it took me a while to play with the 4C edges and to make them look natural. I really didn't want to do too much swooping and too much baby hair here and there. So I just wanted them to look really simple and natural, and I think I achieved that eventually. But yeah, so now I'm also using my hair wax because I don't have my wax stick, and I'm gonna go ahead and hot comb it and just make the wig look really nice, you guys.
Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
And guys, that's pretty much it done. I really like this silky straight hair with 4C edges. It looks super natural in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think in the comment box down below. And I just want to say the quality of Colleen hair is amazing. It's true to length, and I love the fact that it's not thin at the bottom like most straight wigs. It's literally thick all the way through, which I really love. And there's absolutely no shedding. I didn't get any piece of shedding at all. So guys, with my code MRM, you can get $20 off of this wig or any other wig. I will link everything in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you're new, and turn on notifications so that you won't miss any of my videos. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.